Hi, nice to meet you everybody. Today I am going to introduce to you the Unity audio source, and we are going to look at the settings and also what does it all mean. So the first setting when you see or select any audio source is you see the audio clip. The audio clip is where you can select what audio do you want the audio source to play. For example, you can change this with any other audio source that you with any other audio clip that you have. For example, let me change it to this one, and then I can play it. Directly below the audio clip is the output. The mute button is basically used to mute the audio that is currently playing. For example, this is unmute, mute, unmute, mute, unmute. Below the mute buttons, there are 3 bypass buttons. We will learn about these and the 3D audio settings in part 2 of this video. The next one below it is the play on awake. Play on awake is used so that when you press the play button, the audio would automatically play. For example, right now, and when I disable this, it no longer plays. So why do you need to use this? Well, usually you use play on awake when you are doing things like background music or ambience that always plays whenever the scene loads. If you do not want it to automatically play, you can disable this and call it from a script. We will learn that later. The loop button is used when you want to loop a sound. Here's a sample of a sound without loop. And let's try to loop it. And the sound continues on looping and looping and looping. Next, we are going to talk about priority, in which you have high and low. The higher the priority, the more the sound would actually stay on top of the other sounds that would actually appear later on. So let's try this. Let me play. We will have 2 sounds here. One is the sound of a door slamming and the other one is the music. Right now, both of them are actually fighting for our attention. We don't want that to happen, so let's change this. So I'll increase the priority to the background music to high, and I will change the other one, the large door slam, to low. This way, our sound effect will not disrupt or completely swap out our background music. So let's try that again. It's the music and the background music and the background sound. So you now realize it's a lot better now. Next, we are going to talk about volume, in which basically volume works like the volume on your phone and things like that. You can decrease or increase the volume, and then we have pitch. pitch is basically the speed of the sound. You can actually slow it down like that, or you can speed it up.
With your pockets full of stardust and perfection.
Okay. The next is a stereo pan. The stereo pan allows you to pan the audio to your left or right speaker. For example, this is going to the left speaker only, and this is going to the right speaker only. If you are wearing a headphone, you would be able to notice this very clearly. And that is all for our tutorial today. Tomorrow I will show you how to use the spatial blend, reverb zone mix, and also the 3D sound settings.